Hello everyone, and welcome to the review channel. Today I'll be doing a video on a Dirt Devil vacuum cleaner, and this vacuum cleaner isn't that much money. Actually I didn't buy this vacuum cleaner. I got it from a place, my parents do this job where they clean and stuff. They do a job for vacuum cleaning and stuff. And we found this vacuum cleaner at one of an office. And then we decided to bring it home because people there didn't look like they wanted it. So anyways, we decided to get it. So yeah, it's one of those vacuum cleaners that come with the built-in power nozzle. And I know there's the ones with the built-in power nozzle have that hose thing that you can use for the stairs and stuff, but this one doesn't come equipped with that because it's too cheap. Anyways, so this is the on and off button and Dirt Devil, and this is the dirt filter. Anyway, so we'll unwrap the cord here because this one wraps up. And we will make sure it's off. Go ahead and plug it in. It's all plugged in. And I have to set you down for a minute because I have to get the cord untangled. It's kind of tangled up at the moment. So just hang in there. I'm gonna get this cord unwrapped. Alright, so I'll find somewhere to set the camera. And this should be a good place for it. Anyways, so that should be good. Yep, that's okay. So this thing has a couple buttons on it. Oh, and it also comes equipped with this thing to, I don't know if you guys even saw that. It comes equipped with a thing, probably see that you can put the cord on so you won't have to be annoying. That's a bit good. Yep. Okay, I'll connect it. I'm still going to hold it with this hand and the vacuum cleaner in the other hand. And then comes with a couple options here. So I flick the button once. And then that is just vacuum cleaner. And then the nozzle thing turns on when I click it twice. best vacuum cleaner, but it's it works fine, I guess. It's good for this kind of. I'm in my garage right now, so it's good enough for that type of area. My garage isn't too big, like it's pretty small. I've seen bigger ones, like ones with, some people could fit like a semi-truck in them. Actually, no, I don't think so. But yeah, but people could fit their vehicles in it. I mean, I couldn't. Like, my dad or something couldn't fit his vehicle in here because it's far too small. But yeah, I usually use this vacuum cleaner for these type of areas. Oh, the vacuum cleaner over here. Because they're small enough, and this vacuum cleaner can only handle like small areas. So yeah. Pick up my phone here. Anyways, so I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So